At least 10 cops, including additional SP Law and Order T.H. Sankardeva, were injured during a violent scuffle that occurred at a place located in between Harauthel and Senjam Chirang under Lamsang Police Station. A land demarcation work at the spot for construction of National Sports University triggered the violence. The local residents were showing strong opposition against the land demarcation process. Manipur Education Minister S. Rajan today expressed deep concern over the increasing school dropout rate owing to the downward trend of government schools in the state. He was participating in a function at Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS in Imphal. Checks were distributed to 30 beneficiaries for the first phase under Economic Development Program EDP today. The distribution program was held at Mobis Complex located at North AOC in Imphal. A 2-month-long vocational training program on cane and bamboo work organized by DCPU Bishnupur Social Welfare Department in association with Loktak Ima Observation Home for Boys began today at the home's office located at Maibam. The coronavirus situation in India is witnessing sharp improvement in the highest number of recoveries in the world. To further bring the pandemic under control, the government has now announced that it is aiming to receive up to 50 crore doses of coronavirus vaccine by July 2021 to inoculate at least 25 crore people. The development indicates that the first available vaccines may be given to people in India by July next year. Manipur's coronavirus recovery rate stands at 77.64% as of this morning. The state in the past 24 hours registered 200 new COVID-19 cases, taking tally to 11,855. 3 COVID patients, 2 women from Imphal West and Kaching district and 1 man aged 94 years from Tamenglong district succumbed to the respiratory disease yesterday, taking the death toll to 74. Now, the state has 2,576 active cases, while 9,205 patients have been cured and discharged till date. The indefinite CHAKKA ban called by the All Assam Motor Transport Association AMTA began today in Assam in support of their demands amid the COVID-19 pandemic. According to media reports, the association is likely to stage a protest in front of Janata Bhavan at Dispur today. AMTA has demanded an increase in transport fares, including bus fares, in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. In Bishnupur district, a python was found inside the complex of Kumbi police station. The 15-feet-long python was rescued by the personnel of the police station and later handed over to officials of district wildlife officials, our correspondent reports. Union Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh released a coffee table book entitled Discovering the Heritage of Assam with a foreword by Amitabh Bachchan and published by Penguin. The voluminous coffee table book with pictures and photographs on glazed paper presents an absorbing compilation of heritage, faith, beliefs and traditions of different ethnic tribes and sub-tribes living in Assam.